Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
This is Ritika Mishra.
And this is Aman Maishuri from Student Labs. Today we are excited to bring you the 13 updates of our Chords application. For those who are newer, let me quickly introduce you to Chords. It is an open source web application designed for real-time signal visualization, particularly tailored for biometric signals like EEG, EMG, ECG and EOG. In today's video, along with new updates, we are going to present a cool way of recording brain signals using our hardware. Coupled with our newly launched cold cup electrodes, keep watching till the end to know more about this item. So without further ado, let's get started.
Last week we have done some updates to enhance Chords interface and functionality. Key changes include a cleaner layout with some feature buttons moved to setting panel, direct channel selection for visualization, hardware specific channel limits, selective data recording with CSV export, new zoom slider and time-based slider for better data examination. These improvements provide a more intuitive and efficient user experience for streamlined monitoring and analysis.
In this week, we are focusing on code optimization that will significantly boost performance and make the code more maintainable. Let's have a look at the code and see what we changed. First up, optimize variable naming. We all know how frustrating it can be to decipher vague variables names, right? Well, we tackled that by giving our variables meaningful names. This makes the logic crystal clear and prevents redundant or inefficient operations. Now let's talk about IndexedDB optimizations. To reduce redundancy, we create a single function, perform IndexedDB transaction, to handle all transaction logic in one place. This not only simplifies the code, but also it keeps it dry. We also refactor error handling with try-catch blocks, file retrieval logic, and data conversion logic are also optimized. The result, sleeker, more efficient code with no extra baggage. Moving on to file deletion and worker improvements, we added action handlers for delete file and delete all files operation in web workers, ensuring accurate and efficient file handling. Utilize web workers to offload resource-intensive tasks such as IndexedDB operations to the background threads. This approach prevents UI freezing, supports concurrent tasks, isolates errors, and boosts scalability and maintainability for smoother performance. Next is error resolution. We tackle the issue of unknown device detection by optimizing the regular expression and adding extra checks. This ensures more accurate device identification and better error handling. Last but not the least is the color file reusability. We optimize getLine color while centralizing custom colors in our dedicated colors.ts file. Using Tailwind extend feature, we added custom colors seamlessly while keeping the default palette intact. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of our latest code optimization. From improving performance to building a responsive UI, these updates take our code base to the next level. Now let's see the application in action. We will be recording EEG data using our newly launched Gold Cup electrodes, which ensures excellent conductivity and minimal signal noise, making them ideal for both research and DIY neuroscience projects. These are also compatible with all our BioAmp hardware. Today we will use these with BioAmp exe pill. I have completed all the hardware connections as shown in the diagram on the screen. Now apply the electrodes to your target skin surface using 1020 paste like this. Apply the EEG filter and 50Hz notch filter and observe the EEG signals displayed on the screen. When I close my eyes, you will notice a change in the signal, indicating the generation of 10 Hz activity. When I open my eyes, the signal transitions to the different pattern. The link for these electrodes can be found in the description box below.
That's it for this week's update. Don't forget to check out our roadmap on Chords GitHub repo, linked in description box. For more details, refer to our Chords documentation, which is linked below. If you missed any earlier updates, catch up with our Chords updates playlist. We would love to hear from you. Share any feature that you would like to see in Chords. Exciting updates are on the way, so stay tuned and keep exploring.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.